Hello everyone! In today's video, we will go through Amazon Web Services EC2 instances to understand them and know which one to use depending on the occasion. An EC2 instance is a virtual server in Amazon's cloud computing environment. This is as if you were renting Amazon a virtual computer to perform tasks such as rendering your frames. When you launch an instance, you are starting a virtual machine with a specific configuration of CPU or GPU, RAM memory, storage, and network capacity. The instances that we will find in Brender Studio are spot instances and on-demand instances. We will go through both of them. First of all, we will talk about spot instances. When you launch a spot instance, a virtual server is not opened just for you. What spot instances do is take advantage of unused capacity of other EC2 instances. That's why they can be up to 90% cheaper than on-demand ones. The problem with those instances is that if AWS needs the capacity back while you are using them, they can be interrupted. They will be available again once the demand of the capacity is lower. That's why we best recommend this instance for light non-urgent works such as test scenes, iteration, or individual frames. On the other hand, we have on-demand instances which are created just for you, so you pay them per hour or per second. On-demand prices depend on many factors such as the kind of server. But if you want to know more about it, we will put in the description the link to Vantage, which is a tool for comparing EC2 instance prices. The good part about these instances is that they are always available for you. They will never shut down. That's why we recommend this kind of instances for complex urgent renders, long-running works such as animations, and also final productions. If you have enjoyed the video and want more explanations like this one, follow us for more.